Hello guys, this is Mark from ALWAYSSOLD123. I know it's raining. I decided to do this video regardless, okay? And it's a little cold here in Fort Lauderdale, guys. But what we got here is a beautiful Camry. It's a beautiful hybrid Camry, guys. Take a look. It's a SE model. When I saw this car, and I know it has 140 plus miles, but when I see the car and the condition of it, I said I need to have it. You know me, I like my hybrids. First of all, it got nice tires all around. Okay, take a look. Look at these beautiful tires. Nice paint on it. I don't see any major damages on it. I believe CARFAX is clean. Please take a look. CARFAX will be on the website with these service records. I think this car deserves hug and the A+ to the previous owner. The previous owner took care of the car. Take a look at the seats. Look at the seats, and it's non-stinker, non-smoker. Doesn't smell like anything at all. It's so clean. You can even see the dashboard. There's no warning lights, backup camera. These seats are amazing. They're very clean. You got the original Camry floor mats. You got some books here. All right, we got two set of keys. I believe we have two set of keys. We have one rule: one car, one key. But if we have a second set of keys, definitely you're gonna have them. All right, we don't need them. So please look at these seats. You're not gonna find anything with miles on the hybrid cheap enough to get without destroyed interior. That's why I don't buy Camrys, because people drive them, they destroy them. So this car look like being owned by a person, taken care of, oil changes done in Toyota store, across the board. Take a look. Let's have some rock chips right here, but I'm sure you don't care about that. What you care about is to get a reliable cheap car. What we got here, reliable cheap car. Take a look. Nice wheels, all right, nice tires. Let's look at here. Look at the seats. No cracks, no wear and tear, no smoking smell, cigarette light, cigarette butts or anything here. All right, it was a little cold, so we'll put a heat. A little cold. It was like 55 degrees or something here. Okay, so we got window, two windows. All windows work. Horn works. Trunk space. Let's go here. You got beautiful back seat. Amazing. I'm not sure how it ended up in this condition. Somebody drove it and nobody ever been in the car. Look at this. Everything is here. Everything is original. I don't see any issues with anything. Hybrid SE model. Black, guys. Black. Okay, so let's go. The car is charging little by little. Let me get another. Move this and sorry. All right, take a look. We didn't even clean it. I don't want to power wash this hybrid system here. This inverter here. You got everything electrical. You got a water pump, air conditioner, everything here. These cars are so reliable. You can compare them to any BMW, used BMW. If you take any used BMW 2015, 2016 with 148,000 miles, it's going to be from one mechanic to another, or one mechanic to another. You'll take a Toyota Camry hybrid, save money on gas, you save money on your repairs. Beautiful. That's what I think about this car. Okay, take a look. Sold by ALWAYSSOLD123. My name is Mark. And by the way, a friendly disclosure, everything that I sell is sold as this, okay? So is this car. Regardless of anything that you think that might happen, this and that, this vehicle is sold as this. That's how we do the paperwork. We don't have any other way to do the paperwork, guys. Let's go quick on the bottom. Of course, you can see it. It's nice. No damages here, guys. Once again, here's your miles, 148,524. Beautiful car. Once again, I'm gonna come here. Thank you so much, and God bless. And don't forget to like this video. Bye bye.